Hardware wallets do not need to be a scary thing. I have got a Trezor right here, and I've used a number of different hardware wallets, but today we're gonna open this up and talk a little bit about it. So first of all, right off the bat, make sure that the security tab on the bottom of both sides is on and secure. Secondly, if you didn't order this directly from Trezor, don't even bother. Now, after you're done mangling your box, you're gonna find a few different things. Number one, the actual hardware wallet itself. That's gonna be important. Number two, a USB cable. Make sure to use the one that comes with it. Number three, there is 2 things to put your recovery seed phrases in. That's important. And then of course, we've got to have advertising stickers. That's a must. From there, you're gonna go to trezor.io/start. Next, you're gonna write down all 24 words in your seed phrase. There's a couple instructions in between this and that, but they're straightforward. They're written down right in front of you. You can't miss it. Make sure to write this down maybe in multiple places. There's a couple different ways to go about this, but do not lose it and make sure it's safe. So you push create new wallet, wallet backup, standard seed, and I've got to confirm it on the Trezor. And it starts to continuing, you agree. And then it says your wallet is ready, create the backup. You then have to check to say, you know, that your settings before sending the wallet, never take a photo, and please keep your backup secured and never share it with anybody. This is for your seed phrase. Boom. Now we're gonna create it on the Trezor. I'm not gonna show you what this says, but the first word is on there and it's gonna go through and give me 24 words in a row. Write them down, make sure they're legible. After you're done doing that, you literally just pick a passcode. It's up to 9 digits and then confirm that. Once that's confirmed, you just pick which coins you want to be able to be active, that you want to be able to add to the wallet, and you're good. 2 really cool things that it has. One, it has discrete mode. So if I was trying to show this to a bunch of people, it will block out my balances, which is nice, especially for on here. And number 2, I can actually hide one of the wallets, so I have to enter in a little phrase to even access the ability to see the wallet. Overall, I'll tell you, I really like the screen. This was the Trezor Model 1. I'm going to be setting up the Model T next, but I really like the 1. I think it's gonna really do well. I plan on using it.